Wall Street's main indexes closed higher for a second straight day on Wednesday, with the Dow gaining 1%, the S&P 500 adding nearly 1.7%, and the Nasdaq climbing 2.5%. Stocks gathered momentum after Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said high tariffs between the U.S. and China were unsustainable, and President Donald Trump signaled he was open to easing trade tensions between the world's two largest economies. Sam Stovall is chief investment strategist at CFRA Research.
I think this second day of an up market is really being propelled by possibly the unwinding of the uncertainty of this manufactured correction that drove the S&P 500 down 19% and the Nasdaq off more than 20%. Now we just have to see whether it is something that is going to be long lasting and rather just something that the administration is hoping for.
Trump also dialed back his attacks on the Federal Reserve, which included threats to fire Chair Jerome Powell. Most investors view the central bank chief as a stabilizing force in the market, which has been rattled by Trump's chaotic trade policy. Meanwhile, first quarter earnings season has hit full stride, with 110 of the companies in the S&P 500 having reported. Of those, 75% have beaten Wall Street estimates, according to LSEG. Tesla shares rose more than 5% after CEO Elon Musk said he would significantly scale back his work with the Trump administration to devote more time to running his companies. The stock gain came despite the EV maker posting a 71% plunge in quarterly net profit. Shares of Boeing surged 6% after the plane maker reported a smaller than expected quarterly loss and said it produced and delivered more aircraft. On the flip side, shares of General Dynamics dropped more than 3% after the aerospace and defense company said its business jet orders fell from the previous quarter, and despite posting a 27% increase in first quarter profit.